Welcome back to the channel. Today has been a busy day. Things are back to normal. We found our contractors and they're continuing with the professional work like plumbing and installing geysers and implementing showers. I'm left with the manual labor that doesn't need any kind of skill other than just being strong and trying to dig out this sand that is turned into clay or muddy. It's quite heavy. I do have a serious lower back issue, so I have a back brace and I'm careful when I'm bending and lifting because it's quite heavy, because as you can see there's water seeping through, and usually between this retaining wall and the slab there's at least 3/4 of a meter there where first of all the sand erodes from the top and it lands on the space and it piles up. As you can see how high this pile is of just erosion. And then when it gets stuck there, it gets stuck in this water where the water is trapped, and underneath it's soil mixed with water, and it becomes clay and muddy. And with these recent rains, this is what we have here. And I'm trying to level up, trying to dig to the base of the retaining wall here. And this is quite an expansive area. This is a long retaining wall. It is well built, and it has some breathing holes in some parts of it, but not all. But it is well built. Otherwise, I think by this time, this wall would have collapsed if it was not built to the standard. But we're trying to save it so that it doesn't get to that. So trying to dig out all this sand and trying to make a plan, maybe put some sort of drainage that will direct the water around this big slab in the middle of the property, and then the water would escape properly all behind into the creek that is on the left behind the buildings. So you can see the rain haven't come by for the last 2 weeks, but as you can see, it's still wet and muddy throughout the property. So here, slowly but surely, bit by bit, getting the pile cleared up, and I'm taking my time here because I don't want to injure myself, and I know that I'm not going to finish this today, but I'll keep at it and make sure that